How to change your birthday on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can change your birthday on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Snapchat application. And once you are inside the Snapchat application, go ahead to your profile section. Now simply tap on that gear icon located at the top right corner. Once you tap on that, you'll be appear with Snapchat settings. So simply tap on birthday now. So here, as you can see, you can change your birthday for a limited number of times. So be careful while changing the birth date on Snapchat. So what you're gonna do is simply tap on that birth date in order to change your birthday. Once you do that, you'll be appear with dates to change your birthday. So select the date that you want to set for your birthday. Once you have done that, you can simply tap on continue button and you will be successfully able to change your birthday on Snapchat. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and easy. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.